we at, TikTok? Hey, TikTok, we in South Beach, Miami. You should be here. You should be here, guys. I don't know where you are around the world, but chime in, leave a comment below, because you deserve to be here. You deserve to be here. Wherever you are around the world, you deserve to be here, guys. You deserve to be here. You deserve to be here. Just like how I deserve to be here. Look at this beautiful view. Look how powerful the ocean waves is crashing. The sea breeze. Everything else in between. The big buildings. You know, check it out, guys. We're active. We're active. Very, very, very active today. You know, we're enjoying the sun rays, the sun waves, and everything else in between. Oh no, there goes my tripod. There goes my tripod. This is my tripod, guys. Check it out. I got my other phone. I got it live on Facebook, and only one person watching, but I still appreciate all y'all, because we're still capturing the moments. You know what I'm saying? Still capturing the moment, enjoying this beautiful day. You know, sand on my feet, getting dirty, making a mess. I mean, what else is there to do? Staying active, proactive, enjoying every moment, because you never know. You never know. You never know. Never know. It's a beautiful morning. Guys, stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Rozzy Grows on YouTube.